Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to science class. Students, today our topic is central nervous system. Central nervous system acts as a control center for the whole nervous system, and it consists of brain and the spinal cord. Brain is enclosed in a bony skull which is called the cranium, and it consists of billion of interneurons. Brain is further divided into three parts which are forebrain, midbrain and the hindbrain. Forebrain is the largest part of the brain, which consists of further three main parts which are cerebrum, thalamus and the hypothalamus. Cerebrum is the topmost and the largest part of the brain, which is divided into right and left cerebral hemisphere. The function of forebrain is to control the actions like thinking, feeling, emotions, hearing, perception and memory speech. The second part of the forebrain is the thalamus, which is small in structure, and its function is to control the sensory functions. The hypothalamus lies at the base of the thalamus, which is the second part of the forebrain, and its function is to control the body temperature, hunger and the thirst. Next part of brain is the midbrain, which is small part of the brain and present below the cerebrum. The function of midbrain is to receive information from the sense organ, which is then passed to the forebrain. Next, third part of the brain is the hindbrain. Hindbrain consists of further three main parts which are cerebellum, pons and the medulla oblongata. Cerebellum lies under the back of the cerebrum, and it acts as a controller for the maintaining the body balance and making the precise and accurate movement. Its first part is pons, which is oval in shape and present beneath the midbrain. The function of pons is to control the functions like sleeping, equilibrium and the taste. Next part of hindbrain is the medulla oblongata, which forms the posterior part of the brain where it is connected with the spinal cord. Medulla oblongata controls the heartbeat, breathing and digestion. Next part is spinal cord, which is the second part of the central nervous system. Spinal cord is the extension of medulla oblongata, and it creates a link between the brain and the different parts of the body. Its function is to control some reflex actions like voluntary actions and involuntary actions. Students, this is your home task. Question number 1 is write main parts of the following. Forebrain, page number 4. The answer is on page number 4. Part B is hindbrain. The answer of hindbrain is on page number 5. And C part is neuron. Its answer is given on page number 3. Next question is exercise question 1.3. Write the functions of the following. You have to write the functions of forebrain, hindbrain and neuron. Answer of these questions are given on page number 4, 3 and 5. Next question is 1.6. Explain the central nervous system. You have to write the detailed note on central nervous system, which is given on page number 4 and 6. Okay class, you have to learn these questions and write the answer of question number 1 and 2 on your notebook. Okay class, thank you and Allah Hafiz.